Ako, si Ferdinand Romualdez at wikain ang mga sumusunod.
Natutuparin ko na buong katapatan at sigasig
Ang aking mga tungkulin
ang aking mga tungkulin
bilang Pangulo ng Pilipinas.
bilang Pangulo ng Pilipinas. We will build back better by doing things in the light of the experiences that we have had, both good and bad. It doesn't matter. No looking back in anger or nostalgia. In the road ahead, the immediate months will be rough, but I will walk that road with you.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.